Clean provide robust industrial workwear, including flame retardant and high visibility uniforms to the engineering and manufacturing industries. This is one of our partnerships. This is Hayward Tyler. Situated in the heart of Luton, Hayward Tyler design, manufacture and service performance-critical electric motors and pumps to meet the most demanding of applications for the global energy and chemical industries. Clean services to Hayward Tyler include workwear rental, locker distribution and floor protection.
We're in a 68,000 square feet facility with over 40 machining centres ranging from CNC machines through to balancing facilities. Our clientele is from all over the planet, from Norway through to Asia and across the USA, so we're a global company. We have over 120 employees, with some employees being here for over 50 years, so you can understand the family feel that there is around the business.
All my guys are wearing the overalls for the best part of a day. We were looking for a good quality, durable and comfortable product. We haven't had that for a while.
We have a highly skilled workforce and it's our responsibility to show that we care for them, which is why we decided to partner with Clean as our workwear provider.
Our driver arrives on site and unloads the Clean garments. He places each set of garments in the correctly labelled locker. He then unloads the used garment collectors and bags up the garments to be taken to the laundry. Once delivered, the garments are sorted and scanned before being washed. After the garments have passed inspection, they are placed on a hanger and scanned once again. Once dried, the garments are inspected for damage, repaired if necessary, before being organised by customer and wearer in our uniform sorting system. Thereafter, the garments are folded and placed in bags, ready to be delivered on a regular, dependable schedule back to Hayward Tyler.
As a company, we wanted to show that we do care about our employees, so we have chosen a workwear supplier who can accommodate all our requirements.